the nighttime satellite loss passes of WRTN. Very appealing, I guess. We got something else to talk about, though. It's 23-21. Oh, now it's 23-22. But, nevertheless, it's RMT time. Let's see. I can't control the volume on this thing.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. We warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Now we have business to handle. How does WRTN treat EAS messages? So WRTN is a low power station, so they technically don't have to have an encoder. We'll monitor and see what happens.
Effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening. Northwestern Police in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northern Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, northeastern Tunica County in northwestern Mississippi, central Tate County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Benton County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Tipton County in West Tennessee, Fayette County in West Tennessee, Hardeman County in West Tennessee, southern Haywood County in West Tennessee, Shelby County in West Tennessee, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's a lot of
At
counties.
9:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Covington to Germantown to Robinsonville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Strong outflow winds will precede this line of thunderstorms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bartlett, South Haven, Collierville, Germantown, Olive Branch, West Memphis, Horn Lake, Hernando, Millington, Senatobia, Holly Springs, Bolivar, T.O. Fuller State Park, Chickasaw State Forest, Cordova, Memphis, Limar, Lakeland, Arlington, and Munford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county, Crittenden, Arkansas, and the following counties in Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica, and the following counties in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Shelby, and Tipton.